Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you 5 best virtual credit card for international payments. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So in this case, if you're looking for the best virtual cards that you could get or you could get right now, well, there are a few options here. So if you're looking to shop globally without the risking your main bank account here, virtual credit cards are an absolute game changer. Now they act like a digital shield for your wallet, serving up a 16-digit number, expiration date, and also a security code. So you never have to expose your actual physical card. Now, in this case, the details to foreign websites. Now, on top of that, or on top of keeping your hackers at bay here, the right digital card can save you a massive headache by slicing away heavy foreign transactions, fees, and giving you total control over your subscriptions. So, in this case, if you want to see what's the absolute best as of right now, well, there are a few options that you may want to see. So in this case, the fantastic place to start is right inside an app you probably already use. So if you have PayPal here or a PayPal account, you are actually sitting on a free virtual credit card without even realizing it. Now instead of forcing you to download a brand new app, go through another tedious registration, you can simply open your existing mobile app, jump into your card settings, and instantly activate a virtual Visa card linked to your profile. Now, when you use this digital card for international checkouts, the funds drop straight from your regular PayPal balance, giving you an immediate shield against sketchy online storefronts. Now, the best part is that you get to skip standard currency conversion worries while unlocking their built-in purchase protection, which means if your overseas package goes missing here, you are fully backed. Now, moving on to high-frequency shoppers who love buying directly from specialized international e-commerce sites. Now, moving on to high-frequency shoppers who love buying directly from specialized international e-commerce sites, well, in this case, Afterpay here is tailored exactly for your lifestyle. Now, you don't have to wait around for a piece of plastic here to land in your physical mailbox. You just download the app on your phone or open their desktop site to instantly generate virtual Visa or MasterCard options. Now, because Afterpay here maintains direct, deep partnerships with thousands of digital merchants and service platforms across dozens of countries, their virtual cards boast incredibly high approval rates globally. Now, it operates beautifully as a multi-currency wallet, so if you ever decide that you want a physical companion card down the line for global ATM cash withdrawals, well, you can order one straight through your profile. For anyone who gets anxious about entering their details on a brand new website, well, Slice offers an incredibly clever security trick here. Now, their mobile app is available worldwide and focuses heavily on protecting you from potential data leaks. Now, through a killer feature called Slice Pay here, the platform automatically creates a completely separate, unique disposable card number for every individual online merchant you use. So this means if a specific international clothing site you use gets hacked, that card number is entirely useless to data thieves. And all your other virtual cards remain perfectly safe. Now, the app also wraps everything up with built-in bill splitting tools and a master freeze switch so you can lock down your funds in a single tap. If you're managing money across multiple countries as a freelancer or a frequent traveler, EcoPays, which is now widely known as Payz, is a powerhouse with over 20 years of global financial trust. So their platform allows you to hold and manage funds in dozens of distinct global currencies simultaneously, so completely removing the stress of fluctuating exchange rates. Now, you can sign up disposable virtual prepaid cards that self-destruct the second your transaction goes through, which is the ultimate defense against hidden subscription mod renewals. Now, it is incredibly easy to manage on both their app or mobile app and desktop side, and it locks in highly competitive exchange rates that best the traditional banks by a mile. Now, in this case, the final option or the final thing that you may want to check out is going to be Wise. Now, Wise remains the undisputed king of pure international utility and necessary tool for anyone moving money across borders. Now, Wise gives you access to virtual debit cards that map directly to a multi-currency account capable of holding over 40 different currencies at once. What sets them apart from almost everyone else is their commitment to the true mid-market exchange rate, meaning they never sneakily hide an extra markup inside the conversion fee like the legacy bank would. Now you get transparent rock bottom fees, real-time transaction notifications, and the ability to freeze and unfreeze your digital cards between purchases to keep your travel funds completely secure. Now, choosing the ultimate card simply depends on your main goal. Now, you should lean into PayPal if you want a zero setup safety net here. Choose Slice for isolating individual online shops. Now, also select Afterpay or PayZ for massive multi-currency flexibility. And you may want to stick with Wise if you are hunting for a absolute lowest exchange rate on the planet or marketplace. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.